Executive Assistant Training and Development. Senior executive assistants adopt an attitude of regular professional development. They keep abreast of technological changes so that they can quickly master new technologies and keep a watchful eye on the latest information, trends, and gadgetry. Influencing decisions by recommending the latest and most cost-effective office technology is an aspect of the senior EA role. Senior EA invariably have a bachelor's degree, usually in business administration or similar. Many have a master's degree. For bright junior administrators, the senior EA role represents a clear career strategy and a pathway for planning training and development. The senior EA role tends to expand to include important projects. Therefore, the successful EA should have multifaceted skills that include project management. If you are an experienced EA, you are welcome to join our EA club. For those just beginning their EA career, our Executive Personal Assistant Certification course is an excellent way to shape your career and gain access to high-powered offices and opportunities to work with high-value individuals.